Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. So today I am having a quite a different product on my channel. So this is an HDD enclosure from the ORICO company. So if you ask me why I bought this product, so let me explain that first. So recently I purchased a new SSD for my gaming laptop. So I installed that new SSD in my gaming laptop, and it's having this internal hard drive. It's a 2.5 hard drive that's come out of the to my gaming laptop, right? So what happened, like it just is currently sitting right like this. So I thought like, oh, what to do with this existing hard drive, how I can use it. So that's why I bought this product. So once you bought this product, you can install this hard drive in this enclosure and you can use it as an external hard drive. That's why I bought it. So what I am going to do first, I am going to unbox this product for you so you get idea how's the product and all. Then I am going to install this hard drive into this enclosure. Then I am going to connect with my laptop and use it as an external hard drive. Then I am going to able to use this hard drive as an external storage. That's why I bought it. So let me do first unboxing of this product so you get an idea. So how's the product? So this is having a plastic cover, so I just need to remove that first. So after, I just need to pull up like this. After opening the box, you greet with the HDD enclosure like this. So let me check the what other things comes with it. So it comes with the USB cable to connect with the external hard drive once it installed. There is a user guide and warranty card, I think, that I'm going to put right now aside. It's having a few screws. I don't know what's this, but later I will find out. And it also comes with the screwdriver, so you can install the new hard drive easily. Let me talk about the product quality first. So it's having a matte finish on it. So this is a transparent. It's a little bit transparent. You can see through it, right? So it's look quite amazing. I really like it, the form factor. Now let me install the hard drive. Oh, it's already, I think, open. So I don't need to do anything. It's just to open right away. Now I just need to go install this hard drive. By the way, this is a 2.5 hard drive. So let me install this. So once installed, this is how it look. Now I just need to put a top cover on it. This is the two screw that comes with it. You just need to use that to close. So this is the two places it has. So both screws are installed and secure. So now hard disks are properly installed. So now I just need to use this cable to check is it going to work or not. So I just need to connect with my laptop and see if I can use it as an external hard drive. So let me check that. It say it support the USB 3.0. So this is how I can use this cable to use an external source. So let's connect with the laptop and see how it go. So guys, I just installed the hard drive in this case. Now I'm going to check I am able to use this hard drive in my laptop. I just connected with already, and now you can see it just detected that hard drive. This is a two new drive that I found, and this is the external hard drive that I'm currently have. So definitely I can use this hard drive now as an external storage, so I can store a lot of files on it. So this is how it works, guys. Hope you guys like this, and if you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more video and content like this. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Thanks, bye, take care.